Trees add value to homes and businesses alike and help to safeguard the environment for future generations. Trees increase the attractiveness of businesses and tourism spots, and typically people stay longer, dine longer and shop longer in tree-lined areas. Shops, apartments and houses in well-planted areas attract higher rent and also achieve higher sales prices. You only have to look at the popularity of places like this, Plant for Bowden, to see how well businesses and trees can coexist and thrive. By keeping the local area cooler, trees can help businesses and homes reduce energy consumption. Not only will it improve the aesthetics of your property and help you save money by reducing energy bills, it will increase the value of your investment significantly. Visit our website and search trees so you can get more ideas and information on how you can incorporate trees and vegetation into your homes and businesses.